Name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Your dirty jobs just got done with the SPX 9006 Pro commercial grade electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Featuring rugged pro quality equipment designed for commercial use at the worksite, restaurant, retail store, repair shop, and more, Sunjo Pro Series washers power through your toughest cleaning tasks and home improvement projects with ease. Made for those who expect the most out of their machines, every Pro Series pressure washer comes with the most requested Pro Power Plus performance upgrades and features for your most demanding jobs, like sturdy steel construction, a durable 25-foot steel reinforced high-pressure hose, and 35-foot power cord. Whether you're a contractor, business owner, or just a homeowner who appreciates the value of commercial-grade gear, Sunjo Pro Series pressure washers will perform for you with top-of-the-line, pro-quality features including solid brass fittings, a manually adjustable pressure regulator valve, quieter, more powerful long-life induction motors, onboard hose reels, and rugged metal roll cages. Designed to last longer than residential and DIY machines with a lifespan of up to 500 hours, SPX 9006 Pro takes on the heavy-duty tasks that the other pressure washers just can't handle. The powerful 13.5 amp motor blasts up to 1,300 pounds per square inch of pressure and pumps up to 2 gallons per minute to take on tough grease and oil stains, mildew, caked on mud, tar, rust, and other stubborn dirt and deposits. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Dial in the perfect pressure for a custom clean with the adjustable pressure valve. Select a lower setting for a quick cleanup, or crank it up to demolish oil stains, dissolve grease deposits, or remove grime from grout. And with the 5 quick connect spray tips, you can customize the spray to suit any task. Choose from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to tackle heavy-duty dirt and debris. Pour the detergent of your choice into the onboard detergent tank to lather up and break down caked on grease and grime. And every Sunjo Pro Series pressure washer comes backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty for the continuous reliable performance that you've come to expect from America's top-selling eco-friendly pressure washers. So when there's dirty work to be done, go pro and go with Joe. The SPX 9006 Pro commercial-grade electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Get equipped.
Trusted for more than 50 years, Simpson has continued to provide the advantage you need to get the job done. Our products feature industry-leading technology and functional innovation that make your task easier. We make products that are reliable, durable, and built to perform every time you need them. Whether you're a DIYer or an industry pro, Simpson offers an enhanced experience with professional results, guaranteed. Simpson, driven by performance.
Introducing Generac's new SpeedWash pressure washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The SpeedWash pressure washer features best-in-class Generac's new speed with 3,200 psi. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. Choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer.
The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-foot cleaning path for faster, uniform results.
The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3200 SpeedWash features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. Generac's new Speed and 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. Generac's new the SpeedWash pressure washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The SpeedWash features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac's SpeedWash pressure washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.
Yard Force.
I'm going to the grocery store. I'll be back in a little while.
Okay. Oh, 1 second. How's it going, Gail?
Is Sarah home?
No, she's out running errands, but she'll be back in a little while.
Okay, great. Can you tell her I'll call her tomorrow?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
All right, take care.
Audio Jungle.